He's coming right for me.
He can land on your head too. I know. What is it? We're gonna tire you out so much today. I know.
Oh.
You're getting tired.
Ah.
He's like, I want to land on it, but I can't. Come in. Almost. I know. You're getting so tired. You don't get exercise as much, do you? You want some more extra time with it? That's a sign of affection. Rub that beak. You're so tired. Well, one more go? Can you go one more time? Can you go one more time? Ready? Set. Offer him your hand, so with the jug behind it. So your hand needs to be completely flat, or that. You want to toe? Come on, handsome. Oh my goodness. Are you just getting tired? Are you just getting tired? You're so tired. I know. Anyway. Bless you. Yeah, he starts to throw up. He's like, I want to feed you. You're my mate. That's disgusting. We don't reinforce those behaviors.
Okay. That was weird.
Mm-hmm. Rub it. You can rub. You can't throw up. Mind blown. Whole new world.
It's like, what? Okay.
It is what it is.
This is
What
a
the
new
fuck is it?
normal. This is a new normal.
Oh, and he'll have so much new energy if I pull out a new bottle. So, one of his favorites is actually this. Oh! There's levels to this.
Just throw this one over there.
He might go for it if you throw it. I don't know. Try. Yeah, he's like, no.
All
This
right.
is the best one. Get it.
Throw it.
Don't toss it when he's on your hand. No.
Okay.
It's like there's something still in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We don't do feedings. That's disgusting. Where'd he go? Oh my god, where'd he go? He's looking for it and he can't find it. Oh my goodness. That's a hard one you're asking him to do, to go down like that. I think he's getting tired, but he'll do it. If you jiggle a little bit too, that can prompt him. How's it?
Oh yeah,
You tired?
that's the sign of tired.
He said, I just need to go back to this one. This one's not as hard right now.
Yeah.
He's tired. He's like, I don't know, Mom. Kind of done with you. Here, you want to see it? Are you hungry? I don't know where that came from. Probably from the training session this morning.
Try.
Here we go. He's good.